Here we're going to be talking about planning a course. So this is where you're inputting your curriculum, which is just a series of assignments for a course. And you can start doing your planning from the Plan tab up here. You can also get there from just clicking on a course and clicking Plan Assignments. So let's do that. And we're brought to our Plan page. Now this is an empty course. We haven't added any assignments. So let's go ahead and add an assignment. We'll just call it My Assignment. And I just hit enter to submit that instead of clicking Save Assignment. And we get a new assignment over here. So now it's a good time to explain what this is on the left. This course is 4 days a week, and you can see it's 15 weeks long. So to go plan on any particular day in the course, you just click. And that's how you use this. Now you'll notice this isn't Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or any days of the week. It's just assignment 1, week 1. And they're not days of the week yet. We'll get to that later. That happens when you enroll your students, which we haven't done yet. We're just making our curriculum here. So we've added an assignment. I want to show you some of the other features of an assignment when you're adding it. Of course, the week and day are automatically filled in when you click an assignment. You can change your homework type, and you can click quiz or test or whatever you want. Let's say it's a quiz here. And let's say this is quiz 1. Now due in means how many days is this due? Typically you'll just leave this empty, but you could, let's say it was due in 2 days, you could put in a number here. Of course you can add a description with bullets, and you can add YouTube links and so on. You can do all the things with this description, and you can add attachments here. So let's say you had a Word document that explained the assignment in detail already. You could just drop it here. So that's some of the features here. Let's create the assignment. You'll see that's kind of badged with the quiz. So that's some of the assignment features. And then I did want to show you too, one of the cool features here is repeating assignments. So a lot of times you'll have a pattern in the assignments you're making, like assignment 1, 2, 3. Some courses are actually like that. Or there's a pattern like a reading range. If you're dividing some reading passage over the course of 5 or 6 assignments or weeks, that's kind of repetitive. So any of those kind of repetitive things, you can often do a repeating assignment. So to do that, you click New Assignments and then Repeating Assignment here. And I'll make a whole video on repeating assignments soon, but you can get, if you click that pattern help button there, you can get the full details on it all for now. And I'll do some videos too in case you guys like that. But let's say we'll do a reading range here because this is a reading course. I'm going to just copy this text here, which is an example. And you can feel free to copy these from the help docs too to get started in your patterns, because they can be a bit tricky to get started, but they're so useful once you can do them. So let's say we're going to divide a reading assignment for the first 3 weeks. And we'll skip some of these here, but you have lots of options. And let's just say we're going to read. Well, I guess I have it in my clipboard here. We'll paste it. Read pages of, let's say, some book. Let's say you have the name of the book here. And this part here is the interesting thing. These are a couple of curly braces with a reading range inside. So let's say there's 270 pages we need to read of some book. And because we're doing a repeated assignment, when we click Create Assignments here, Syllabird will do all of the math about which assignments and reading ranges need to go on each day. So when we click Create Assignments, This just filled in all of the first 3 weeks, and you can see each day got about 20 pages of reading. There's one more thing that I wanted to go over. I kind of mentioned it in the beginning, but these are not days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. They're just assignments in the course. And a lot of times customers will do some planning and then they'll go over to the calendar. And we haven't done any scheduling yet. They won't see them in the calendar. This is just because you need to enroll your student. So I'll do an in-depth video on enrolling, but it's really simple. You just go to a student and you can click enroll and you click your start date and what days of the week you want it to be. Again, I'll do more detail later, but you just go enroll your student and all those assignments show up in the calendar. So that's getting started with planning.